Hello, in front of me I have XLYNE QIN XW Prime 2, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. Let's start by pressing the side button right here to wake up the screen on our watch, like this, and then let's press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. In this menu we can swipe left or right to scroll through a list of watch faces, find the one you like, for example this one, and tap OK to apply it, like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.